Soundcore Q20i versus Edifier W820NB. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. And also watch the video till the end.
You will see. This is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about sound quality. Q20i provided offered deep bass with clear mid-range balanced sound. And Edifier provided crisp and balanced sound with strong bass. So Edifier is better. Now let's look at the noise cancellation. Soundcore provided active noise cancellation with good effectiveness. And Edifier provided hybrid ANC for better noise isolation. So Edifier is better. Now let's look at the battery life. Soundcore provided 40 hours with ANC, 60 hours without ANC battery life, and Edifier provided 49 hours with ANC and 80 hours without ANC battery life. So Edifier is better. Now let's look at the comfort and fit. Soundcore provided comfortable over-ear design, memory foam cushions, and Edifier provided soft ear pads, lightweight design. So Soundcore is better. Now let's look at the build quality. The build quality of Soundcore is durable plastic construction, and the build quality of Edifier solid build with a premium feel. So Edifier is better. Now let's look at the connectivity. Soundcore provided Bluetooth 5.0, 3.5 mm AUX USB-C charge, and it is also provided by Edifier, so both are equal. Now let's look at the microphone. Soundcore provided built-in mic for calls with good clarity, and Edifier provided built-in mic for calls, decent performance. So Soundcore is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of Soundcore is more affordable, and the price of Edifier is slightly more expensive. So Soundcore is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.